What's going on? Hashtag Burritos Nation. I almost coughed a bunch right there because I actually have a bad sore throat now, which I do not like. I don't like getting sick. But anyways, guys, it's your boy Rainbow Warrior here with number 100. No. What is this? This is number 127 of WWE Supercard, and it's 127, and I'm feeling like Supercards from heaven. Why? Because I pulled, after I counted for the first time in a long time, kind of my resets, which you just count rares and above when it's enhancements, title matches, pick doublers, or any rare or above thingamajigger. I got 229 resets before I pulled this, and it was a pro, baby. It's not Randy Orton, and it might actually show up here. I don't remember if I have it on Combinable or not. No, I don't. So let's actually go ahead and go on over to WrestleMania 33 right now. We have ourselves a Shawn Michaels, obviously. He's going to be a pro. Who was our WrestleMania 33 pro, though? There's Randy Orton, Samoa Joe, Bobby Roode, Chris Jericho, Finn Balor, Bray Wyatt, Ken Shamrock, Frodo Proto. No, I'm just kidding. He's not a pro. But it's the glorious one. Glorious. So my first ever WrestleMania 33 pro is glorious. I won't give in till I'm victorious. I will defend. And when I got this, I was like, yes. Like legit, I was so happy, man. It makes me feel a little better from those packs. My first pro is from one of the packs. So we got ourselves a pro Bobby Roode, which I'm definitely going to be going with that ultimate image because it looks very, very sick right there. I'm very excited about that as well. We got ourselves a pro Bobby Roode, which is awesome like a possum. We're actually going to be getting some King of the Ring awards in tomorrow's episode too. I'll let you guys know in tomorrow's episode what we get. Let's actually go and check out the chat. I know a lot of people have been saying it's very, very difficult on the two cards, the two WrestleMania 33 level cards. Can you lower or higher yourself in WrestleMania 33 tier? I don't know what you're talking about, but I don't know. He must be talking about the difficulty, but I don't know. 400 resets, nothing. 636, nothing. Might have done something wrong there, but I don't know, man. I hope you get yourself a pull soon, though, Chico. All right, so there we go. Let's go ahead and get into some Road to Glory grinding. We are just starting Cedric Alexander. I got to do 10 points on him on my lunch break, and I've not played since. Just got home from work. It's Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. Hopefully you guys like that small little 2-minute episode I actually did just before recording this, of how to get free Google Play credit. Obviously, it wasn't a great example since I didn't get any that specific survey, but hopefully you guys like that, and hopefully you go ahead and download Google Opinion Rewards, and that's pretty cool. Let's go and go with a double Alexa Bliss Prime on a couple of single Ultimate cards. We're definitely going to win that one. I'm so hyped to have a couple of pros from this, and maybe from a King of the Ring, possibly. Look out for that tomorrow, possibly, because I will be having some King of the Ring rewards tomorrow for you guys in tomorrow's episode. So yeah, I said we go. Good old, I almost said Brock Lesnar. Goldberg with one. That is Brock Lesnar right there. Who do you think is going to win at Mania? My big prediction, I've already told you guys this actually multiple times what I think is going to happen. I definitely do not think that Goldberg will win. I just don't see it happening. I'm pretty sure his contract's up too. Oh, gosh darn it. I don't even know like what point I'm going to hit the wall on this, by the way, guys. So if I all of a sudden lose out of nowhere, you'll know that I've hit the wall, obviously, partially at least. But like I was going to say, I think that the same exact thing's going to happen in Survivor Series, where he's going to take Goldberg into the corner, and then Goldberg's going to like push him down. He's going to look stunned. He's going to turn around, and Goldberg's going to go for the spear again. The exact same thing. But instead, I'm going to show you right now. Let's see if you can actually see my knee right now. He's going to go for the spear, and then Brock's just going to be like, bam, with a knee to the face and knock him out cold. F5, 1, 2, 3, done. That's what I think is going to happen, definitely. I don't see it happening any other way. It's got to happen that way. It'd be the perfect way. I'm not even a Brock Lesnar fan, but I definitely think that that's the way that's going to end up happening. All right, so see, let's go ahead and go right there. Ooh, that guy's got a glorious one too. So yes, I'm very, very excited, man. I was so happy. I legitimately, and my mom doesn't even care about my Supercard, but I was like, Mom, I got my first WrestleMania 33 Pro. Are you proud of your baby boy? And she was all like, that's great. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got myself my first WrestleMania 33 Pro. My second WrestleMania 33 Pro, my first will probably be Sean. I'll probably work on that first. I'm hoping I'll get myself another one from a King of the Ring award soon too. That'd be pretty cool as well. But yeah, TJ Perkins. you ain't got no chance in heck, buddy, against Jack Gallagher. All right, and then we're going to go with Becky Lynch. What is the actual score? I don't think no, it's not a perfect game because we lost to that Jericho. We win 10-2. I'll take that. All right, so we're still doing pretty good so far. Let's go and play 1 or 2 more games, baby. I got some picks saved up, obviously. We got ourselves 42 picks with talent match. Cool. And let's go ahead and get some cool stuff, bruh. I'm actually going to go ahead and tally that on my thing because I am keeping track of my resets now because it actually gives me motivation to play because otherwise I probably wouldn't have as many resets. All right, so we're up to 23 resets after that Bobby Roode pull. That's pretty cool. Considering it took me 229, maybe I'll get lucky and get a really, really early pull this time. I would really like to get it under 100 resets. That would be pretty fantastic indeed. And I might be able to get to 100 resets actually, or at least close to it, maybe 50 or something like that by the end of this Road to Glory, just because of how hard it's going to be. I'm going to probably be +2 in a lot as well, since I will not have any WrestleMania 33 pros yet. You know, because I probably will have to take out Bobby Roode pretty soon here. All right, so see here, let's go ahead and do a nice little energy. Paul Heyman. We're going to go to Randy Orton and a toughness as well. Will it be a pull? Will it be a pull? No, you're a fool, Rainbow. But we got ourselves a super rare Randy Orton, which is kind of cool. I would like to pro my Randy Orton because he's actually very, very good in this tier. Surprising as heck, man. He's legitimately like after Taker, I think. I think Cena and it's like, it goes what? It's Triple H and then Goldberg and Brock and Cena are tied, yeah. And then there's Taker and then there's Randy Orton. Randy's really, really high. It's actually tied with Samoa Joe in this tier, which is pretty cool because Samoa Joe's a very good card. And I'm really liking that that image of Randy. I really wish that Supercard would go back to the point where you can actually make champions with your different images on that. I would appreciate that more. I mean, I like how you can make champions of cards you don't have still, but I don't know, man. All right, so see, let's go ahead and train into a nice little ultimate over here. We're going to go to a nice little Silver Star ultimate and go ahead and train some stuff. All right, so let's go over here to a nice little Alexa Bliss, the champion of the SmackDown Live Women's Division. And we're going to go ahead and train her up some. And, oh, why not? Goodbye, Mr. Kendrick. All right, 50 out of 50. Bye, Mr. Kendrick. I've gotten you way too many times from packs. All right, so let's go and do one more matchup here on the Road to Glory grind. Hopefully that doesn't trigger you guys getting rid of an ultimate right there. But I don't really need it, and I have like 80-something ultimates from that stupid Team RD glitch. All right, so see here. Let's go and get this. Also, I don't even know if you guys saw it yet. Look at this. I think my mom left it for me. It was on my desk when I got back from work. I got a dog tag Dolph Ziggler. I don't even know. Oh, there it is. Where do they put it? I'm not even sure where I put. Oh, there they are. There they are. Okay, because it came with 3. It came with Dolph Ziggler, which obviously I had to choose to put around my neck. And then it came with also these 2 other dog tags. So if you want, go and write down glorious Dolph Ziggler dog tag in the comments below. We got ourselves 2 others. Cesaro. That's pretty cool. The King of Swing. And then this piece of trash, Roman Reigns. All right, I just threw him down on the ground because I could care less. Roman Reigns lovers are going to hate me for that. Just throw Roman on the ground. If you want, if you're a Roman Reigns hater like I am, you should write in the comments below, throw Roman on the ground. Yeah. Put him down. All right, so let's see here. Let's get ourselves a nice little W because that'd be cool. All right, so we're going to lose that one probably. Oh, actually, I don't know. Yeah, okay. For a second, I mean, his charisma's not that high. They might have not leveled him up all the way. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do these 2 right here. Going to get a little speed thingamajigger on Bobby Roode. We're going to lose that, actually, unfortunately. So this is not a good start. I need to start using my support cards more. I forgot to use it in the last game. Let's do toughness speed because it's toughness speed. We're going to definitely go with the one that's both 31,000. We're definitely going to beat Summer Rae, so that's a good one right there. So good for us. He has a bad female. We're going to go ahead and obviously do power right here with Classy Freddy Blassie. We got ourselves a nice little proc. I think we would have won anyways because it's Nia Jax, but the proc give us a nice little splashity splash splash. All right. For us, we're going to go right here. Oh, no. It's probably still a good idea, though, to throw away that first. So that would have been a waste of our Randy Orton. Power speed, we should do the... Uh-oh. Who's going to win? Who's going to win? Yes, we win. All right. WrestleMania 33 image for the win, baby. Double AJ Styles tag team for the win. Can we do it? They're incompatible. We should win this, and we're going to win it, so that's pretty cool. So double AJ gets the W. I really like that WrestleMania image on it. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and go with Stone Cold Steve Austin. We're definitely going to be AJ Styles, so we're definitely still doing okay. We are losing some matches, unfortunately, though, so I don't see this lasting for very long. But at least at the end of this episode, you guys will still see me at a winning point. So by the time you see me tomorrow, or actually, I probably will record tomorrow's episode pretty soon here, but at least 2 days from now, you'll see me struggling, and that should still be pretty fun, though. I just going to get our picks here, and then we'll go and end off this episode. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are at in your road to glory grind. Are you on that WrestleMania 33 Cedric Alexander card? Are you guys getting yourselves a nice little Ultimate Brian Kendrick, Elite Bray Wyatt, SummerSlam? I think it's, I don't even remember the Harden was. Are you in the SummerSlam Harden? Are you on the WrestleMania Season 2? Any of the cards? Are you on finish the whole entire event? Just let me know in the comments below. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. If so, you give me a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I'll see all of y'all hashtag, ooh, a Harden Shalatzata. Man, that just broke up my sentence. I'll see all of y'all hashtag Brutus Nation. Ooh, later. We don't want no ham and cheese. We just want natural selection. Natural burritos, please. And always remember to be glorious. Glorious Dolph Ziggler dog tag in the comments below. Yeah, stealing the show and your girlfriend like always. Stealing Charlotte. She's got to be someone's girlfriend. I mean, I don't know.